They actually look pretty for once.
Wow.
Right?
Can you do like
Oops.
a checker
I spoke too soon.
Hi guys!
I'm Paige. I'm Paisley.
And I'm Mama Panay.
Today we are making s'mores crescent roll.
And s'mores milkshakes.
Yummy! Let's get cooking!
Woo!
Okay, so we are going to need a
Sheet.
baking sheet
Got it.
for this. Why don't... Okay.
Got it.
Alright, so this part, we're just doing this. Oh, maybe. It said to do that. And then...
let it freeze.
Oh, yeah, and then let it freeze while you're making it. I am adding a little...
Condensed milk.
Maybe I am.
There we go.
Looks like vanilla.
very
It's
good.
gonna be so yummy.
Oh,
So I'll do chocolate, and you do the condensed
condensed
milk.
milk.
This is
Put them in the freezer as they get done. All right.
Can I open it? Yes.
She loves the pop. Okay,
It pops in my
so
every time.
let's get these open because this is what we're gonna do.
Eat it.
Well, she's doing that. Will you grease this?
Fun. Thank you.
Okay.
That's one way to open it.
All right.
This is my favorite part.
Come out. So these are super easy. Hopefully they don't stick to the...
Croissant. Awesome. Croissant.
So we grab the pizza cutter.
Pizza.
This is much easier to, rather than trying to
Rip it.
rip it, is just take the pieces or cut the pieces. We're not putting it on there.
Oh.
But take each piece and line it up.
Helps me cut it all the way.
Okay. We're gonna take some, you do chocolate.
Perfect.
You don't want to do, you want to keep them as close to the big side as possible. And it might be better, actually let her do the chocolate first. Shove them into the dough.
Oh.
So you do chocolate,
Oh, wait.
a line of chocolate on each, and then you do, oops, sorry, you do
Hit me, don't you?
as many marshmallows as you can.
As you can possibly imagine. Here, let me just.
I don't know if that worked. Okay,
They won't stay.
we're getting them. All right, so now we need to
These are not gonna roll.
oh, they're sticking to the wood. This is what I was afraid of. Wait,
No. No.
try and hold everything in there.
Haha!
Yeah, just like that.
Oh
All right,
The croissant.
no! This is
you're missing a marshmallow.
and chocolate chip, apparently. I'm missing a lot of things.
So how long? 10 minutes, okay.
Stay in the dang croissant!
How about we close the sides of the croissant?
That one's Paisley's.
I agree.
Yeah. That's a lot of marshmallows.
All right, so let's,
Quickly put these in
Quickly, yes.
before they just fall apart again.
Before they become non-croissants.
set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Counting down.
Okay, good to know. Let's make the
S'mores.
s'more. They're on the wrong side, aren't they? No, they're not. Oh, you know what we need to do? I almost forgot. Grab another thing.
Grab the smaller ones.
So it's supposed to be on broil, but we already have it on bake. We're gonna go ahead and just stick this in here. Watch out.
Move!
Oh, you know what? Toaster oven. It fits perfectly in there.
I forgot.
And it's got a broil setting.
I know. Will you get the marshmallows? I mean the
Thingies.
glasses. Oh, it's looking good.
This
Oh,
level is
no.
going pretty quick.
That's one way. The paper probably doesn't taste very
It
good.
doesn't.
Oh, it's so yummy. Does it taste good?
Well, yeah, it's marshmallows.
Marshmallow cream.
All right.
Friend.
So
Chocolate and marshmallow.
go like this.
How many do I do? Like,
Thank you,
Oh, do
sunshine.
the whole bag and we'll. Okay, put that one in the freezer.
Go puppy! Go puppy!
So they're almost ready, but
can I please do it?
Fire!
I think an adult should do the fire part.
Aww.
We'll get them
It's
nice
on fire.
We need them on fire.
Just let it spread to all the marshmallows. It's on
We
fire.
don't want them to burn.
Just have a little.
Toastiness.
Can you check the
Oh! Mom,
Okay, pull those out.
Mom, it's on fire!
it kind of died.
They have exploded,
They've imploded.
but they look amazing. So we're gonna leave those over there and let them cool for a minute.
Cool
Finish
down.
them.
But you just let the fire spread.
That was mine.
Because it won't actually spread from marshmallow to marshmallow, it just stays in one
Okay.
little spot. Okay, so we're going to put the, maybe, they're gonna stick to everything.
They're sticking to the side. Oh.
Come off! This is so
Did I lick the pan?
No.
It's hot.
Okay. It has toasted mosty
Take that off.
marshmallows.
Is it still hot?
Should have sprayed this pan.
I did.
Oh, why not? I sprayed the other pan.
That would have been a good idea.
Mwah.
You're gonna have a hard time cleaning that one, Paige.
That's as good as it could get. So, do a cup and a fourth. Will you give me a spoon?
Spoon.
Put that in.
Oh.
We've just got marshmallow spiderwebs everywhere. Ugh.
I can see the coldness coming out of it.
Well, that's because cold and heat are mixing. 32 ounces. How many of this? What's a quart? A quart is 32 ounces, isn't it?
I have no idea. Echo, how many ounces is in a quart?
1 quart is 32 fluid ounces.
Called it. Mom called it.
Alright, that seems good enough.
I'm putting this away.
I think we have enough.
It is all over the thing.
It's on. It was on before, Mom.
Oh, I guess it helps if I keep it on. Let's put a little bit of,
Chocolate today.
maybe,
Can I just say one?
like that.
I just want a straight line down the middle.
You actually look pretty for once.
Wow.
Right?
Can you do like
Oops.
Oop.
a checker
I spoke
pattern?
too soon.
Some powdered sugar.
You
Oh.
gotta beat the back. Remember how to do it at the places?
So pretty. Ta-da! Alright, let's put these aside. So this is how you do the rim of a cup.
I know. I watch Dad do it all the time when he makes his drinks.
And then you kind of go
Can I do one?
around the
We can all do
sides.
it our own.
Or when Punk makes his drinks, that's when I've helped him do it before.
See how I got it on the inside and on the outside? Here, let me put a little bit more. Do you see the, watch? You want to gently pull the graham crackers into the middle so that as you, see, I'm not pushing it down on the plate.
Holy moly.
Holy moly, it's stuck.
There's more marshmallow than shake.
Spider webs.
No.
All right, so now when you're pouring, you want to make sure that you don't get the edges.
Right there.
So you want it to fill up without taking it off the edges.
Show your love. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.
We want to hear from you. Leave us a comment below. What recipe do you want to see? Do you want to see us make?
Are you ready for these? Oh my goodness. I feel like I'm camping. Oh, so good. Mm-hmm.
No
Oh,
marshmallows in my hand.
I am ready for this. Oh my goodness. Bring Campfire home. Apparently we're gonna go finish these. Bye.
Ah.
Mwah.